Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a driver cannot load on this device ene.sys driver. Method 1, go to search menu and type virus and threat protection. Click on open it. On left side select device security. On right side select core isolation details. Turn off this memory integrity guys. Just turn it off and just close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Updates. Click on open the Windows Update settings. Select advanced options and select optional updates. If you have any optional updates, expand it and check mark it and select download and install option. After getting installed, and you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to C drive and select the three dot icon and select options. Go to view tab and select this show hidden files, folders and drives and select apply and OK for save changes. Then go to Windows and find system 32, double click on it. Now find drivers folder, double click on it and now search ene.sys. Just right click and select rename option. At the end of this, type 1 and click on continue to save it. And just to close stuff here and restart OPC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.